New tonight, the search is on for these two exotic birds. They were stolen from the Fresno Chaffee Zoo overnight. Our Shauna Kalafi shows us how they were taken from their cage and why staff members are so worried about their health.
Staff at the Fresno Chaffee Zoo called police Sunday morning after they noticed the lock to the Australian Asian aviary was broken and two birds were missing.
It's a violation like you would be violated if somebody broke into your home. And our team here are heartbroken over these animals.
The missing birds are a lesser sulfur-crested cockatoo, a critically endangered species, and a Nicobar pigeon, which is considered a near-threatened species.
A cockatoo you would see in the pet trade. The pigeon, on the other hand, not so much, more of a bird collector's species.
Police are now surveillance video that captured the crime.
It appears that about 4 o'clock this morning, an individual in all dark clothing had a backpack on and a mask, jumped over the fence.
Police say the suspect then broke the lock to the aviary, took the birds, jumped back over the fence about 10 minutes later, and ran away. Now investigators are racing to find the birds before they're possibly sold or traded on the black market. The zoo staff says they're also worried about their health, since both the male birds are elderly, about 27 and 32 years old, and were under veterinary care for age-related issues. If you know anything about the missing birds, call Fresno Police. Shauna Kalafi, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.